Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, May 20, 2025. Will Jo Marie Iliana allow son Andre to do sexy pictorial? Jo Marie Iliana gives update on what he'll do after his term as counselor. Noon ay kilalang-kilala at pinagpantasyahan ng marami si Jo Marie Iliana dahil sa mga mapangahas niyang sexy pictorial na naka-swimming trunks o underwear. Ngayon ay may anak na binata si Jo Marie, ang Viva artist na si Andre Iliana. Payag ba si Jo Marie kung may offer na sexy pictorial kay Andre? Sagot ni Jo Marie, he doesn't have to ask permission from me, kasi Andre is an artist. Ano yan hilig niya yan, He knows what he's doing, pinag-aralan niya yan. He knows the craft, the work, and it's all actually up to him. He's nasa tamang age. Sa generation namin, I've done films na sensual. It doesn't matter, pero ang ending niyan is ano yung lesson na gusto mong I relay portraying that role. Mahalaga ay gusto raw ni Andre ang ginagawa. Sa akin, it's all yung fulfillment of the actor, anong pakiramdam niya, yung tinatawag na instinct. Instinct yan, di ba? So sa akin, he doesn't need to ask permission from me, he's an adult. He is good at what he's doing. Anything goes, and he will actually learn a lot along the way. Samantala, magtatapos ang panunungkulan ni Jo Marie bilang konsehal sa unang distrito ng Parañaque. Nitong nakaraang eleksyon ay hindi siya tumakbo, kundi ang karelasyong si Abby Viduya. Ngunit hindi pinalad si Abby na maging consul sa Parañaque. Sa ngayon ay abala si Jo Marie sa kanyang Iliana Racing Team. Sa May 31 ang launch ng Jumps Cup ng Okada Manila Motorsport Carnival 2025. Ito ay drag racing event na pinangunahan ni Jo Marie at ng kanyang racing team na gaganapin sa Okada Manila Boardwalk and Gardens. May mga kategorya itong vintage car, muscle car, at supercar. Katuwang ni Jo Marie sa event ang international race official na si Ricky Diliaco ng Federation International del Automobile, FIR. Kung papipiliin siya sa motorsport at politics, ano ang mas gusto niya? I pick motorsport, bulalas ni Jo Marie. You know why? Because my end term will be in June, natawang sabi ng aktor. Sabay seryosong sabi niya, pero ano it's totally different, so public service and motorsport, totally different. I don't know. I've been in the sport for quite some time. Being a public servant, for 9 years, I'll be ending my term in public service. Pero looking forward, excited ako dun sa na-achieve ko as a city councilor, and I'm very, very excited sa gusto kong ma-achieve with Philippine Motorsport. So sa akin, it gives me balance. Naiisip din ni Jo Marie na pwede siyang maging aktibo ulit sa production. Lahad niya, hinahanap siya ng system ko. It's been a while, I started with production also. I still remember Palibasa Lalaki, during that time, I think I was 17 or 18. So we were there to support a production, the biggest concert in history. And it's actually situated in this part of the lot, the property where we are right now, it was the Michael Jackson concert, wala pa tong building na to. Ang tinutukoy ni Jo Marie na building ay ang Okada Manila Resort and Casino kung saan ginanap ang interview. Pagpapatuloy niya, so I find peace and balance with production, legislation, and entertainment, so iyan yung bumubuo ng pagkatao ko. At dahil mahilig si Jo Marie sa sasakyan, nakatuwa ang tanungin ng Pep kung anong klaseng sasakyan ang maaari niyang ipanglarawan sa sarili. Hirit ni Jo Marie, Rolls-Royce, masarap akong sakyan. Ha. At yan ang atin latest Showbiz Chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more Showbiz Chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed, magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.